Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Aditi, and today I'm going to share with you guys a try on and unboxing of the jewel grab box for the month of September. This is how the box looks like. Again, the packaging is very similar to other months packaging, and on the back side we have the company name and their websites written here. And by the way, this month's jewel grab box is priced at rupees 499 including shipping. So yeah, that's that, and this is how it looks from the inside. Everything comes in this pouch, and also we have this pamphlet type of thing in which the prices of all the jewelries are mentioned, which I will go through once I show you all the products. This is the first time I am trying a jewelry subscription box, and I'm really excited to show it to you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys would like it too. And if you like it, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, so now let's get started. So the first jewelry that comes into my hand is this. This is a very long jhumki type of earring, layered jhumki. It's very long, but it is very lightweight, so you can easily wear it. And I will just show you how it looks. So this is how long it is. On me, I personally really like it, especially on open hair. It's looking fabulous, and it's also quite lightweight, so I'm not feeling really very heavy with this. But yeah, this is how it looks. So I could really not make out the price of these earrings because I'm not sure if it's called Kashmiri earrings or just oxidized earrings. But if it's called Kashmiri earrings, then the price of this is rupees 250, and if it's called oxidized earrings, then it's for rupees 120. And here is the closer look to the jhumkis. It's very plain and has this crisscross design here, and then it has these gungroos which actually makes a very cute sound. So yeah, this is how the earring looks like. Then the second pair of earrings are these are gold and black beautiful earrings. It has peacock tops, and then it has this circular bala thing, and we have a small cute little heart here, and then we have jhumki. It looks very stunning. It would look very beautiful if you wear it on a party. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks on me. So yes, here is how it looks on me. Again, it is very lightweight, and the price of these earrings are rupees 250, and they look very beautiful. The finishing is also really good. It looks very good on me, but personally I would prefer it wearing on some sari. I don't think I will wear this on a kurti or a light ethnic or Indo-Western dresses. The next thing that comes into my hand is a finger ring, and it has Gayatri mantra written on it. I hope you can see it. And it also has these ghungroos here, which makes it even more beautiful. And the fact that it has Gayatri mantra intricated on it, it looks very, kind of ethnic and classy, and it would go very well with your suits and saris. And also it is adjustable, so you can adjust it according to your size, so you need not to worry, and it's just so beautiful, you guys. Really love it. The price of this mantra finger ring is rupees 250, and just look at it. It looks so statementy, and I just really like it. This is a little big for my preference, but it can be a great statement piece. So this is how it looks on my hands. Next we have a mang tika. The price of this mang tika is rupees 200, and this is how the mang tika looks like. It is an Afghani mang tika, silver oxidized one. It has a mirror here. The quality is really nice. So this is how it looks on me. It will be a great option if you have a bigger forehead, and this is actually a little bit bigger than what I would prefer. Nonetheless, it looks very beautiful. So yeah, if I haven't already told you guys, then the price of this one is rupees 200. Also, with festive season arriving, I think it is a really good addition to your jewelry collection. Especially if you play Garba, then this will look very beautiful with your lehenga. So yes, that was the fourth piece, and again we have a pair of earrings. These are Afghani earrings, I suppose. Again, I'm not sure if it's Afghani earrings or Kashmiri earrings, but if it's Afghani earrings, it's priced at rupees 150, and if it's Kashmiri earring, then it's priced at rupees 250. So I have received a very beautiful red colored earring. You would receive random colors. I think there is green, blue, pink, and yeah, I think that's all, and of course red. So yeah, I will show you how it looks on me. Again, this will go with all your ethnic wear, your sari, lehenga, salwar suit, kurtis. This is very stunning. Then next we have oxidized neck piece. This retails for rupees 350, and look at it. It's just so beautiful. And you will again receive random colors. Either you will get silver or golden, which I have here. This is also really pretty. I really like the finishing. This is how the rear side looks like, and I will just wear it. I don't have anything like this in my collection because I wear a very little jewelry. So this is how it looks like. I hope you can see better now, and this looks very, very beautiful. Like, just look at it. So yes, this is how the neck piece looks like. I think I will wear it more often now because I have it now. And this is the closer look. You can see the intricate designs, very stunning. The last piece of jewelry is again a pair of earrings, and it is the oxidized earrings. It retails for rupees 120, and this design is quite common now. So yes, this is how it looks. This is how the rear side looks like. Very pretty it is. So yeah, this is how the earring looks on me. I think it will be a really great option for a daily use, and yeah, I really like the pattern. So yes, these are the last piece of jewelry. Overall, I really like each and every jewelry. I really like the quality, but I really miss some trendy jewelry pieces. They all look very ethnic to me, so that makes the box a little monotonous. But I think because of the festive season is coming, so they have kept that in mind and have included all the ethnic jewelries in this. But nonetheless, I really like each and every jewelry. By the way, you are getting 7 pieces of jewelry worth rupees 1520 for just rupees 499, which I think is a great deal, because 500 rupees में 7 pieces of jewelry वो भी इतने अच्छे quality के मिलना is a bit difficult. So I personally really think it is a good steal deal. Again, I would like to point out one thing, and that is the delivery period, the time they take for delivery. It's actually very long. You would have to wait for 1 week to 10 days to receive your Grabox. But yeah, nonetheless, I think it for this one particularly, the waiting was worth. And yeah, I will not blabber much now, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did and want to see more such videos, then please don't forget to like this video, and also please write in the comment section below which was your favorite jewelry piece among these 7. And I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.